Hello and welcome to our new video on how to make money online. In today's digital age, there is no need to stick to your conventional 9-to-5 job. Today you have countless opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your own home. You have the choice to be your own boss and decide your own working hours. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most popular and effective ways to make money online. So without wasting any time, let's start with number 1, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? This is a process where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for any sales that are made through your unique referral link. Some popular platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. Next, we have e-commerce. This is the process of selling products or services online. One of the most popular ways to do this is through creating an online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms make it easy to set up an online store and manage your inventory, shipping, and payments. Another great way to make money online is through freelancing. This is where you offer your skills and services to clients online. Some popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can find work as a writer, designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant. Another popular way to make money online is through content creation. There are multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok that pays good money to upload content to their websites. Number 5, and one of the most trending skills to make money online, is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that can help you reach a global audience and grow your business. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, digital marketing can help you increase your online visibility, attract more customers, and generate more revenue. There are multiple platforms where you can provide your digital marketing services like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and other freelancing platforms. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online. With a little creativity and hard work, you can find a method that works for you and start earning income from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Also, let us know your thoughts about the video in the comments and what kind of video you would like to watch next. Have a great day and stay successful.